Now look, verb, two kinds of verb, main verb and auxiliary verb. Main verb or auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, that means am, is, are, was, are, have, has, can, could, may, might, shall, should, do, it, does. These are auxiliary verb by helping verb or be verb. Okay. Now we are going to discuss details auxiliary verb or helping verb or to be verb. At first, to be verb. To be verb, that means am, is, are, was, are. To be verb, that means am, is, are, was, are. Am, is, are, was, are. Am, is, are, was, are, verb plus ing. Am, is, are, was, are, verb plus ing. This is assertive. This is continuous tense and active form and active form. Active sentence. But verb past participle when the sentence become passive form. Okay. When active form after am, is, or was, are, verb ing, then this sentence will be present continuous tense. But am, is, or was, are, verb past participle when the sentence passive form. But how to understand active and passive? The subject is active, that is active. When the subject is not active, that is passive. But how to understand active and passive? Now look, here subject Jamal, verb make. Make that mean toiri, right na? Who can make?
Jamal.
Is it possible?
Yes, possible.
Yes. Now next sentence. Here subject English, verb speak. English can speak.
No, English can't speak.
English can speak.
No.
That is subject English. English can speak. No.
English can't speak.
Yes. This sentence is passive. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Active and passive. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So active, when the active am, is, are, verb ing, that is continuous tense. That is continuous tense. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, now look, he is a doctor. After am, is, are, was, are. After am, is, are, was, are, there is no verb. This is main verb. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look, here the some color indicate. Am, is, or was, are. This color is yellow. That is be verb or auxiliary verb. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But verb, that is verb ing or verb past participle. This color, the color, what kinds of color? I don't know.
Pink.
Indigo.
Indigo, okay. Indigo. Indigo color. Okay. This color indicates
Indigo.
main verb.
Verb.
Main verb.
Main verb.
Okay. This color indicates main verb. Okay.
Main verb.
Now look. Here Jamal is making tea. Here Jamal is auxiliary verb, but making main verb. Okay.
Main verb. Yes, sir.
Here is be verb or auxiliary verb, spoken main verb. Here he is a doctor. Here is
No main verb.
main verb, because after be verb there is no verb, that is main verb. Okay.
Main verb.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, have to verb. Have, has, had. After have, has, had, verb past participle. After have, has, had, verb past participle.
Participle.
After have, has, had, verb past participle always. This sentence will be perfect tense. This sentence will be perfect tense. Okay.
Yes,
Have,
sir.
has, had. This sentence will be always perfect tense. Now look, they have played football in the field. Here have auxiliary verb, played main verb. Okay.
Main verb.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes, sir.
present perfect tense. This is present
Perfect
Perfect.
tense.
tense. Next, he has a car. Now, look, he has a car.
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 But after have has and there is no another verb. This verb will be main verb or principal verb. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now look. To do verb. Do does did. Do does did. After do does did. Verb present form. V1. That is verb present form.
Present.
B1.
V1. That is verb present form. Okay.
Present form.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look.
To do.
Do does did.
Present form.
After do does did. Verb present form. But in the middle row, you have to use not or n comma t.
Not.
Contraction not.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look, he does not go to school regularly. He does not, here does not, does be verb or auxiliary verb. Verb go main verb. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But next sentence, he does the work. Here does, after does, there is no another verb. Then it does main verb. Have you understood? Any problem?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No problem.
Okay. Um, I'll try to better if you do not understand. Until if you do not understand. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
basically, do does did. After do does did verb present form, but this sentence will be negative or interrogative. Negative or
Interrogative.
interrogative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look. Now look. Sorry. Does, doesn't he go to,
School regularly.
now look this sentence. Here, interrogative sentence.
Yes, sir. Negative interrogative sentence.
Negative interrogative. Yes. So you have to next verb present verb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to negative or interrogative, then after do, does, did. After this, the verb or auxiliary verb, you have to use main verb. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, modals. Modals. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, will, would, must, need, dare, ought to. These are modals verb. These are modals verb. Now
What else,
look,
sir?
he will buy a car. Here buy modals verb. Sorry,
Modal verb.
will modals verb. Buy main verb. Okay.
Main verb.
He need
sir.
not go there. After need not go there. Go main verb, but need auxiliary verb or modal verb.
Auxiliary verb.
Modal.
Modal verb.
Auxiliary, that's in modal, to be verb, have to verb or do verb, same. Okay.
Done.
But
Yes, sir.
auxiliary is part be verb, be verb or to do verb or have to verb or modal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, he needs a pen. After need, there is no another verb. So here needs main verb. Okay.
Is main verb.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see the color, you can find your be verb or main verb.
Yes, sir.
Here dare not drive at night. After dare not drive next verb, main verb. So here drive, dare be verb or auxiliary verb or modal verb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, he dared to drive a car at night. Here, drive. After drive, no verb. But you can see to drive. To drive. In previous time I discussed to verb, to plus verb, that is infinite verb. That is infinite
Infinite
verb.
verb.
Okay, it is not main verb. That is infinite verb.
Verb.
আমি আগে আলোচনা করছিলাম মনে আছে এরকম?
জি স্যার, টুর পরে যদি কোনো ভার্ব থাকে তাহলে সেটা ইনফিনিট ভার্ব।
এটা কিন্তু মেইন ভার্ব নয়। ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they are main verb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After can, could, may, might, shall, should, do, did, does, need, near, there. After this word verb always present form. Okay.
Present form.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, if the subject singular, verb singular. If the subject plural, verb plural. Singular
Plural.
subject. Singular subject. Now look, singular subject. He, she, Mina, Kamal, eat. Any noun. Singular noun. Any singular noun. That is singular subject. Plural subject. They, you, and noun s or es. That is plural noun.
Verb subject.
Plural noun, that is plural subject. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
singular verb. Singular verb is, was, has, or verb
Was.
is or yes. Yes or
Yes.
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 Plural verb are, have, were. Are, have, were.
Or
Now look, ice float on water. Here ice. Ice,
Is a noun.
noun, that is singular. That is
Yes.
singular.
Singular.
Ice, that's mean one item of things. So here singular, then verb yes or yes.
Singular.
That is
singular.
singular verb. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is correct. Everyone want to be happy. Is it correct?
Everyone. Yes.
Ji, sir.
Everyone want to be happy. This sentence
Everyone wants to.
correct.
স্যার কথা গ্যারগার আছে স্যার।
কথা গড়গড় আয়া Everyone wants to be happy. This is correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Why?
Because everyone is a singular form.
Yes.
But
So are singular. Yes or
So verb. Yes.
wants.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now look, another sense verb, two kinds of verb. Transitive and
Yeah.
intransitive.
Intransitive.
Transitive and intransitive. Transitive and intransitive. How to transitive and intransitive? How to understand transitive and intransitive? Now look, transitive and intransitive. After verb, object, this sentence will be transitive. After verb, there is no object, that is intransitive.
Intransitive.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another system to know transitive and intransitive verb. Now look, here saw verb. Here saw verb. Next verb sleep. Verb.
Sleep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to understand? How to understand a transitive and intransitive? If you ask or make a question, to verb by what or whom. By what or whom. You make a question and answer this, that is transitive. But no answer, that is intransitive.
And
Now look, I asked a question, so by which or what. Now look, sorry, which or whom, which or sorry, who or what or whom, what or whom. What did you see?
So in transitive,
What did you see?
I saw a bird.
I saw a bird.
I saw.
Have you answered?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I got answer.
Next. What does he sleep?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Whom does he sleep?
No.
No.
Really, there is no object in this sentence. But
Sentence.
that might not,
Yes.
that might not object. This is adverb. This is adverb.
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 Adverb. But a bird object. Okay. But how to
Yes, sir.
understand active and sorry, transitive and intransitive verb? Have you get idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What?
What or whom?
Whom?
By what or whom you make a question. If answer,
That is
then
transitive verb.
transitive. No answer, intransitive. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Good. Okay, good. This is the verb. Next, we are going to discuss tense. Most important. You have
Sir.
here.
Sir. স্যার ও টু নিড ডেয়ার এগুলো তো আমরা সচরাচর ব্যবহার করি না, এগুলো স্যার কোথায় কিভাবে ব্যবহার করবো স্যার, এটা কোন অর্থে ব্যবহার করবো স্যার, এটা তো স্যার বুঝিনি।
কি বুঝি না, আমিও বুঝি না, কি বলছো ফিরে আবার বলো।
ও টু
ought to
নিড
okay
ডেয়ার।
This is modal verb. This is
modals verb.
Can, that's mean ability. Can, that's mean ability.
That's mean ability.
I can do the work. Okay, I can do the work. That is can. Same. Okay. Can that's mean ability. Can that's mean ability. I can do the work. I can help you. I can help you. That is ability. I could. Same past form.
Yes, sir.
Same past form. Can.
Past form.
Could past form. May. May. That's mean. It's ability, but it is not sure. Such as I can do the work. I can go to school. Okay?
Yes,
I
sir.
can go to school. I may go to school. What is the difference between the sentence? Now look.
Sir, I can go to school. That sentence means he will go to school.
He will go to school 90%. 90%?
Yes, sir.
Sure. 90% sure. But
Sure.
I may go to school. Not sure.
Sir, 90%?
No.
Unsure.
50-50. 50-50. 50-50.
Yes, sir.
It may rain today. What's mean?
50-50. It may be rain or it may be sun.
Yes. It may be sun. It may.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
difference? Can or may?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can.
Yes, sir.
I can help you. I may help you.
I can help you.
I may help you. I can help you. Difference? Can, that's mean ability.
Can.
May, that's mean possibility.
Possibility.
Okay,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
possibility, সম্ভাবনা, এটা কি বলে বাংলায়? সম্ভাবনা,
সম্ভাবনা।
সম্ভাবনা
হতেও পারে নাও হতে পারে।
নাও হতে পারে।
এটা আছে ওই যে কয় না, আমার একটা কথা বলে 68 ঘর রেখে দিলাম, মানে হলেও হলো না হলে না হলো, এরকম একটা কথা, বুঝছো?
জি স্যার।
সেম, মে, মাইট, সেম, past form.
Past form.
Must, sure, must,
Sure.
sure, that
Sure.
is must, should, same, must, should, ought to,
Sir.
duty, must, sure, should,
Hmm.
ought to, should and ought to, same, that is duty, that is duty.
Duty.
We ought to our parents, we ought to our
Ought to our
parents,
Parents.
we should obey our parents. Okay,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
no difference, but it is our duty, it is our duty,
Duty.
it is our duty to obey our parents. This sentence you have to use, we should obey our
Parents.
Parents.
okay. Shall,
Yes, sir.
basically will or shall, you have to use in future tense. Okay,
Yes sir.
need, in I saw you, he needs a pen, he need not go there. Here after need verb, that is modal verb, but after need there is no verb, then main verb.
Member.
Okay, same there,
Yes,
there, after there verb, this there modal verb, but after there is no verb, here there main verb. Okay,
Yes sir. Sir, in the sentence he dared not drive at night. What does the meaning of this sentence?
wow, আমি রাত্রে গাড়ি চালানো সাহস করেছিলাম, আমি রাত্রে
Oh.
গাড়ি, এই যে এটা হলো আমি রাত্রে গাড়ি চালানো সাহস করি না, আমি
যে মানে সাহসার্থে এই ডেয়ার ব্যবহার করা হবে এই ভার্বটা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব।
yes, ডেয়ার শব্দের অর্থ কি? সাহস। How dare?
সাহস।
এরকম শুনছো কখনো?
জি।
How dare? তোমার এত সাহস, বলে না এরকম?
জি স্যার।
জি।
এরকম।
জি স্যার, এখন বুঝছি স্যার।
যত সময় না বুঝবা কোনো সমস্যা নাই। আচ্ছা, আমরা এবার টেন্স একটু যাচ্ছি, দেখো আমরা সিম্পল 3 kinds of tense. Present, past, future. Present,
Future.
past, future.
Here.
We are discussing the topic tense, that is present tense. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some times ago, I discussed about modal verb, that is past tense. Next day, I will discuss tense, that is future tense.
Future tense.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look, every tense or present, past, future, these 3 tense, every tense has 4 part. Fourth part of
Part.
tense: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and
Perfect, continuous.
আমি এর পরবর্তী দিন আমাকে বলবো, আমি বাংলা দ্বিতীয় পত্রের একটা ক্লাস করাবো এখানে এই টেন্সের বিষয়ে, বুঝছো? তোমাদের আছে, সিলেবাসে আছে।
জি স্যার, ওইখানে ওই যে কাল, সমন্বয়, নির্ঘাত, এগুলো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আমার টাইম শেষ, আমি বাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে?
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, যেটুকু চলে সেটুকু চালাই, কেমন? একটু চলবে, আর 5 মিনিট চলবে। ওকে, now look, present indefinite as here.
স্যার এই টেন্সটা স্যার পুরোপুরি করে ভালো করে করলে হয় না স্যার নাকি?
হ্যাঁ ভালো করেই তো করবো, মানে আমি
না
বলছি
স্যার মানে এখন
চলে গেলে আবার তোমরা লাইন দেবা।
ও জি স্যার বুঝতে পারছি। হ্যাঁ
চলে গেলে লাইন দেবা তোমরা। আমি বলছি আমার এর তো টাইম আজ 40 মিনিট পরে কি হয়ে যায়, বন্ধ হয়ে যায়।
বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে।
আচ্ছা, অবশ্যই টেন্সটা অবশ্যই ভালো করে শিখতে হবে, মোস্ট মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্ট। একবার খালি টেন্স না, আমি অনেক কিছু শেখাচ্ছি এর ভিতরে। আমি তো বসে থাকিনি, অনেক কাজ করি তোমাদের জন্য। দেখো এই কাজটা কিন্তু এমনি সচরাচর করতাম না, করতাম
না স্যার
করতাম না। দেখো খাতায় লিখে দেই কিন্তু তোমাদের দিয়ে লেখাতাম। দেখো এখন কি করছি, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। না লুক, প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স, subject and beyond. Beyond that means barber present form.
প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম।
Barber present form. Now look, now look, now look. He makes tea. He makes
মেক্স টি
tea. He makes tea.
টি
Now in the verb, make verb, you can see yellow color. You can see yellow.
ইয়েলো কালার।
Why here yellow color? Verb here
বিকজ
Yes.
মেক্স ইজ
make here verb, but I differ yes from make, but why?
স্যার বিকজ উই ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হোয়ার উই ইউজ এস।
Yes, yes, but why you use s?
Sir, because the subject is singular form.
The
But
subject
this
is
we
singular.
use makes in
Yes, third person singular number, third person singular number. So after third person singular number, verb s or es.
yes.
Okay? Most important, present indefinite tense. Always you have to memorize this tense. Now
Yes,
look,
sir.
Kamal, Mina, it, he, she, and singular any singular noun. After this, verb s or es.
Yes.
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So, Kamal goes to school regularly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone wants to be happy. Okay. These
Yes,
are
sir.
singular subject, singular verb. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, most important. Usually, normally, often, sometimes, daily, today. Daily day nahi na? Daily day nahi?
Yes.
স্যার এক মিনিট এটা একটু লিখতে হবে স্যার, এই সেন্টেন্সটা লেখা নাই আমাদের খাতায়।
Daily,
না স্যার।
today. Okay.
স্যার লেখা হয়ে গেছে।
Okay. In a sentence, you can find this usually, normally, often, sometimes, regularly, daily, today, and so on. These are adverb. These are adverb.
Adverb.
If you find this adverb in a sentence, this sentence will be present indefinite.
Indefinite.
Okay? Usually, normally, often, sometimes, regularly, daily, today, and so on. This adverb in a sentence, you can find this sentence will be present indefinite.
Present
So-
indefinite.
So after subject verb, present form and verb yes or yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now look,
Yes,
he
sir.
go to school regularly. He go to school regularly. Here
Regularly.
verb went, goes or go.
Sir, goes away, goes.
When go.
Goes. Okay.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you understood? These are
Yes,
These
sir.
are adverb always used as a present
Present
indefinite.
indefinite tense.
Okay.
Tense.
Have you understood? Most
Yes,
important
sir.
present indefinite tense. Next, present continuous tense. After subject, according to person, am, is, are, was, are. Sorry, am, is, are. Am, is, are plus
Plus
ing.
be plus ing.
They are playing football in the field. Are auxiliary verb, am, is, are, and verb ing. Okay, that is
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
active.
Present continuous tense.
Active voice. This is key. Active
Active
voice.
voice.
In sometimes ago, I told you am, is, or was, are verb ing or verb past participle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after am, is, are ing, so it is active voice.
Active.
Active voice and tense continuous. Present continuous. Okay.
Continuous.
Yes. Continuous.
Now look. Now then soon. At this moment. Now then soon. At this moment.
At this moment.
These adverb. These are adverb. These adverb in a sentence. This sentence will be present continuous tense. Okay.
Tense.
So after subject, am, is, or was, are, verb plus. Okay. What
Present
you do
perfect.
now? Present continuous. What you do now? What are you doing now?
What are you doing now?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, present perfect tense. After subject,
Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
after have, has, had, always verb past participle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have, has. After have, has, verb past participle, always past participle, and this sentence will be
Perfect.
perfect tense. Present perfect.
Perfect.
Next day I will try to do. মানে মনের একটা ব্যাপার হয়ে গেছে। He has done the work.
Work.
He has returned home. They have made a noise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look. Recently, already, just, dearly, lately. These are adverb. These are adverb.
Adverb.
If we find this adverb in a sentence, this sentence will be present perfect.
Perfect. Tense.
So after subject have, has, verb past participle. Okay. He recently got married.
Yes, sir.
He has recently got or gotten married. Okay.
Married.
Have you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, present perfect continuous tense. After subject have been or has been verb plus ing. Then for or time, before time, for or since. But when we use since or for, but when you use since or for, in fixed time you use since, but not fixed time you have to use